So Ossid's been in business for approximately 40 plus years. Started out as a service company, grew into a machine manufacturer, and today we currently manufacture 3 different product lines, overwrap, horizontal, and industrial scales. With this new machine right here, we were looking to design from the ground up a replacement for our existing weight price labeling machine. We were looking to reduce the amount of controls, speed, and flexibility. So the system's using the Siemens ET200IO. We also use Siemens Soft PLC running on Siemens Industrial PC. The benefits of this technology gives us a very tight integration between the PC and the PLC. The machine operator interface, data management is all handled with the Windows IoT platform, and it's talking directly to the PLC to allow control of everything from conveyors to print application. Siemens helps deliver our promise to the customer with reliability, higher speed, and with this technology we've been able to reduce our overall control package by 60% from what we did previously.